Heyyyyyy Foodies, welcome back to another Zoe Eats Mukbang. How are we all doing in this sad time? Patrick in the building.
What up?
So tonight we've got a bit of a variety of food. Tonight I decided to do the sausage, rice and cucumber that eatwithkim started off, and then it went all around YouTube, so I've decided to do it because I found these diddy little cucumbers. And Patrick isn't keen on the whole idea of it, so he has got salmon, broccoli and pea risotto. That's a mouthful. With some of the kielbasa sausage that is left over from mine. Just some onion rings, glass of wine, copper bag. Cheers! Let's try this. We'll get a few bites in. Extra cold. So, is it sausage, cucumber and rice? Or rice?
Well, I don't know, you can watch.
Okay, so I found the kielbasa sausage that they all use. Look at this. Ooh. Some rice. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I haven't got a big enough mouth. Cucumber.
Oh God.
Eatwithkim hit the nail on the head. I'm going to tag her down below. Wow. Wow. That's really good. You should try it.
No.
The mixture of the smoky sausage just brings out flavour of everything. It's great.
Nah.
Okay, give them a spoonful of yours, a forkful of yours.
Look,
share it with them.
Try and get some out. I'm trying to find a big bit of salmon. There we go. Bit of salmon there.
I look a mess.
Look at that. I can't read too much. It'll fall off. We've got salmon. You've got your bit of cucumber. Oh, not cucumber. Bit of broccoli. Bit of pea. Bit of sausage. Bosh. A little bit of salad cream. Bosh. Gordon Ramsay got shit on me.
It is good. The sausage is really smoky. Really nice.
So, what's everyone doing about the pubs? The pubs are all going to go down there. We're all pissheads in the streets.
I do have some mixed spices here, which I'm going to put on which I acquired.
Yeah, come on. Where did you acquire it from?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
This feed from one here. We got a Pizza Hut for lunch one day.
I like the spice that...
She goes, oh, that's nice. Drop it. It's like, what? Drop it. It's like, why won't you yeah, I'm going to put my back. Be fair, Pizza Hut, if you're watching...
My bad. Who hasn't done that though?
Well, yeah.
Who hasn't got a cupboard full of pub glasses?
I was just about to say, my mum's cupboard's like half full of pub glasses.
Some nice bowls that they've liked their dessert in. There's a blue one out there.
Oh yeah.
This is good. I'm actually really surprised.
Portion sizes are a lot smaller in these, isn't they?
As supposed to serve 2 people.
What, a mouthful each?
So how are you guys? How are you doing? These little cucumbers are cute. You don't like cucumber, do you?
No.
Oh, it's so nice. Really sweet.
No.
Right, let's get down to brass tacks. How are you guys doing? How are you surviving out there? We're not going to go too much into this coronavirus bullshit.
Fuck no shit.
Because it's affecting everyone everywhere.
Fuck the government and fuck Boris.
Alright, Stormzy.
What?
This is really good.
So when's your sister going to become doing the makeup one then?
Mm.
And she's been saying for ages.
Well, we will be doing a makeup mukbang, but first we are going to be doing that challenge that I was talking about the other night.
Oh,
I can't wait for that. I'm going to get you. The flavours are amazing. How was yours? How was your risotto?
Good, man. I love risotto.
Or as Americans say, risotto. Was it hot?
Yeah.
So tonight we decided, regardless of what's going on in the world, across the country, we sincerely do feel for people that have just lost a lot of work across the world, across England. I've got so many friends that are really heartbroken right now. Heartbroken over the news that's just happened. They're shutting all pubs, gyms, leisure centres, restaurants, cafes, everything. We decided, do you know what we haven't done in a while? Had a munchies and PS4 night. So, baby's in bed, we're eating dinner, we're chatting to you, and then afterwards we're going to get munchies on the table, more wine, more beer, and then Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Yeah, man.
We haven't done that for a long, long time.
No.
What do you guys do to pass the time? What do you guys do to have fun? Are you hot, darling?
Yeah.
Oh! Wow, chicka, wow, wow.
As they say, I am the king of the household, you know.
Who says that? Just you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Jean's my queen.
I'll remember that next time you want dinner.
Yeah, man.
And your rings. I overcook them, but I don't care. I love them crunchy. Seeing so many heartbreaking posts right now from nurses, paramedics, people that need food, and you greedy bastards out there in England. None of you are owning up to it, of course.
Of course they won't, because they'll be like, yeah, stocked up.
Well, they'll be the first ones people are looting.
Oh yeah, guaranteed people go, your house is getting broken into.
Anyway.
I have one word for them looters, the people that are overstocking. Wankers.
And that's how he feels on that. Are you okay there?
Yeah, trying to burp.
What are you going to be doing to pass the time? Give us some ideas. Obviously, we've got the kids. Obviously, I'm homeschooling Ethan right now, which is my 9-year-old who's autistic. So it's not going to be easy, but, you know, needs must, right? When you're a mum and a dad and a stepdad and whatnot. Or any parent or guardian out there who is doing it, big up to you guys. Not going to be easy, but you got this. You have got this. I believe they've got this. We've got this, haven't we?
Yeah, man. I'm going to take them up the woods one day.
Anybody that needs support, even my American watchers, anybody that needs support, just DM us. We're happy to have a laugh with you. Make you smile. Share memes. Doesn't matter.
But I hope you're going to take them up the woods one day. There's massive woods by us. We'll take them out.
No one's going to be around. We are going to be away from people.
Bit of fresh air. You know, Mother Nature. Let the kids run around in the woods for a bit. What's that going to do? Ain't gonna hurt them.
Exactly.
You know.
We're not going to a public place.
My little girl's got a thing about sticks. So she'll be at her element.
Oh, we should be collecting all the sticks.
Yeah.
It's like we'll have a massive bonfire or something, I think. Let's do this. Oh. Nice.
Get the kids out for a bit.
Sausage.
Get them exploring, using their minds.
When I was a kid, all I did was go out and play. Climb trees. Play football.
Why is it though, right?
But, hang on. Any of my friends out there used to play bulldog? 50-50 in, 40-40 in, whatever it used to be called.
Bet both really.
Runouts.
Or was it a runouts?
Kirby. I think we've spoken about this before, but you know what? Bring all that back. Obviously, within your family, because we're not allowed to, not allowed, but associating with people can be dangerous. So, within your own family, obviously you can go out with Ethan out there. You know, Bring all that back. Get the kids off technology.
But I remember as a kid though, it snowed. Still went to school. Could be 3 feet of snow. Still going to school.
The boiler broke at school.
Yeah.
You still went to school.
Freezing cold in school. You sat there, your jacket on, your hat on, your scarf on, frozen in class. You still going to school.
This is a bit different now because it does affect elderly.
Oh yeah.
So obviously we have to protect our elderly.
Yeah.
They fought in the war for us.
But what makes me laugh is though, now the slightest little cough in school. Oh my God, shut your school. Little Darren ain't got no love. He's got a slight cough. He's probably got a cold coming on. You know, could be anything. Could be.
But that's what I'm saying. We have to be careful.
But I mean, back in the day, Mum, I'm throwing up everywhere. Still going to school. Mum, Darren at school said he might be dying. You still going to school? Mum, Darren's got a severe illness. It can be called gash. I don't care. He's still going to school. Don't just have medicine nowadays. Boilers broke. Right, school shut. A little bit of snow. School shut. Behave.
We have different views. We have slightly different views on this whole thing.
I mean, these days, like with a little bit of snow on the ground, everywhere goes in a panic mode. Oh my God, shut everything. The roads are manic.
Raid the supermarkets.
Behave, man. Oh, Derek over there, he's fought in World War II. He's all drumbling 2 miles to the shop with his little scooter. He's happy as Larry. You lot are like, oh my God, there's a bit of snow. Shut the world. Behave.
This is really filling, believe it or not.
Yeah?
Really filling. Rice, sausage.
Do you know what you remind me of?
Cucumber. Me?
That geezer, I see this bloke on TikTok, right?
We have TikTok, by the way.
He's got the most biggest bowl haircut you've ever seen in your life, and it's brilliant. It'd have the most random assorted food out on it. It could have like a bit of octopus, a honey bun, or a cinny bun to you guys, a biscuit, you know, or what we class as a biscuit with a like a proper like
cookie.
Cookie in other words. And they've got the most random bits of food. You think, you'll go, thinny bun, fish, and you'll just start eating like just one mouthful.
Yeah, just one mouthful, yeah.
And that's it. It's random.
You should get your phone and show them who it is, and then I can tag him in it.
Let's see if I can find him quickly.
If, I don't know. It doesn't matter, does it?
No. I have no idea if I've shared him though. Or liked him. But I mean, this bloke is the most random bloke you've ever seen, but he is brilliant.
Love a bit of TikTok though.
Oh, we'll put our TikToks on it at the beginning as well.
At the beginning?
Well, somewhere in it. So
oh, what, the names? Our
yeah.
names? Oh, okay. I guess I'm doing that, guys. TikTok is a lot of fun. We haven't done one for ages.
No, we need to do something.
We also need to go live on you now as well again.
We might have to do a couple of little ones of these tonight.
Mm.
No, I don't think I've got him. Do you know what I'd love to show the viewers? Where is he? That amazing bloke with his voice, the Michael Jackson voice. Who's matching?
I just don't want to get. I don't know if it's going to get
It's
us.
only a short little thing, though, isn't it? So it's nothing like.
What we could do is. Yeah, that's fine. You can do it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little thing
and
for you
I'll obviously
guys.
tag him.
Who's watching? I always feel like somebody's watching me.
What a voice that bloke has got. I haven't actually followed his account, but I mean.
I
he
need
went
to
viral
put
for
his
that.
credit in the description, so you need to keep his name up for me.
I've met up.
Obviously, I don't want to get copyrighted or. Well, I mean, look at the state of me. Look at my hair. Look, I mean, what is?
If you guys go and follow us on TikTok and inbox us, follow from YouTube, we will go on there and do a duet for you out of any video.
And we can also go live on TikTok.
Yeah, we can go live.
Which is probably better for us because it's a bigger screen.
We'll duet for you as well.
Yeah.
We'll do some funny duets.
I'll put my TikToks here now. Mine. Patrick's. I'm actually really full and I've not barely touched it. I mean, look, not barely touched it. Look at these little cucumbers. They're so cute. I reckon that's what they use to make pickles. Gherkin thing. They're not different, are they? You pickle that, makes a gherkin, right? Tell me I'm wrong. Leave a comment below if I'm wrong. Why are you laughing? Because you're going to be last laughing if I'm right. What?
It might be right. Oh, yeah, I can't say nothing.
But you're still laughing at me.
Yeah. If any of you guys want a good laugh as well, go on YouTube and look up a bloke called Brandon Rogers.
Oh yeah, he's funny.
He's brilliant. There's something I never said there. Which he said about this cucumber, I didn't want. There was something he said on there and it was brilliant. Do you reckon I can say it?
As long as it's not too sweary.
So he's dressed as what he calls himself. Look up Bad Grandpa by Brandon Rogers. He's in a supermarket with his grandson. It's not actually his grandson, it's the cameraman. And he's got like a tea candle, like a long stick. And he just randomly pulls out and goes, oh, this is longer than my dick. Every time she pulls up something small, I'm like, ah, that's longer than my dick. I wish. Viagra has to kick in for anything like that. But yeah, guys, have a look at his videos, they're brilliant.
Me, I come into you tonight with positivity if you couldn't tell. Sad times ahead.
When times are hard, watch him.
When times are hard, watch us.
Mm.
Watch us. On any platform. TikTok,
Yeah.
YouTube, you know when we go live. I'm actually really full. Are you?
Yeah, there's just not as much salmon in there as it used to be. It used to be like loads of big chunks of salmon. I love salmon. There used to be loads of big chunks of it in there. Now it's just sort of like, they've gone, ha, crisis, cut the salmon out. Little bit of salmon. If you put spaghetti in there, but like an English carbonara. That's what I said. If my grandmother had wheels,
She'd be awake.
Do you know what ledge?
Do you know the gumbo? Well, I think we've mentioned him before.
Funniest chef ever.
Mm.
He doesn't take anything insult-wise. He just makes it into a joke.
Mm-hmm.
He made like a carbonara, and
Carbonara.
and
Can't say it.
what's her face said it?
Holly Willabooby.
Holly Willoughby said, "Oh, if you had ham, it's just like an English one." And then he just slams his plate down. And he's like, looking
Like this.
horrified. And he goes, "That's like saying if my grandmother had wheels, she
She
wouldn't
didn't
bake."
bake.
You've never heard. You look at Philip Schofield,
The uproar.
trying to like spit through that laughing. The whole audience, camera people are laughing. No one knew it was coming, and they said to him in an interview, "Ginny, what was that about?" He goes, "Wow, just something that popped in my head." Ledge.
But some they used to sit on the couch with him and write words on a chalkboard and get him to say certain words. I can't remember what they are now, but the way he pronounces sheet, obviously, Italian accent, shit.
No, Ginny, you can't swear. I'm saying the word, the sheet.
We're on live TV, Gina. It's sheet.
It's one sheet. No, if you need the toilet, do it after the show. No, it's
Oh,
sheet.
bit my bloody tongue.
We haven't got life insurance, have we? Or we're not insurance you hurt yourself constantly. God, I'm gonna have to suck it. I'm putting it on eBay, guys.
I'll happily go.
Buy now.
Away from you.
Just call it 50p just to get it gone. Free
Away from
postage
you.
and packaging. Thank God for that. I might actually get
We've
done.
had enough.
I might be able to get to bed at night and actually.
2 weeks isolation with you. It won't be the virus that kills you.
Yeah, but me murdering you.
Wait, how does that work? If you're already dead?
I'll come back and haunt you.
Oh, lordy. It's alright. We live across the road from a church.
Oh, grab it, I ain't got to drag you far. What are you doing, mate? Just taking a
Taking the what for a walk?
Just in the middle of the night, someone goes, "What are you doing?" "Just taking my dog for a walk." Come on, Daisy. Come on, good girl.
Do you know what? There is not enough wine in this world for me to deal with you.
What are you doing such a big hole for, mate? The dog wants to have a lay down. It's like a new quarantine bed for it.
Alright, guys. For you, I'm going to do one more bite, even though I'm quite full. Because Pat's a pussy and can't eat his whole food.
Alright, there we go.
One more bite. One more bite. Must admit, when the sausage is cold, it's chewy. Very chewy. But it's nice. Guys, try it. My British mukbangers out there, try it. What was that?
Add rice sauce, right.
You're like a horse eating hay.
Hang on. Ain't gonna piss at me, right? Make a long story short, this one sat on the sofa one day. I look over. I was like, what are you doing? I was just like, oh, nothing. It was like that. 10 minutes out, look at the
I'm
commercial.
not angry at my game.
Again, her phone, I was like, what? And literally just... I was like, what are you doing? Stop tapping. Just the game pissed me off. I tell you, the things this one does, I tell you. What I love? Yeah, I had a twitch.
Do you know what? Sometimes I wish you'd just choke sat next to me.
So do I might get 10 minutes peace and quiet, I tell you. I'm going to go sit in the graveyard tonight and just chill with the body like, yeah, wag.
You're so disrespectful.
Why are you so quiet?
You're going to get hate for that.
Come on now, don't ignore me now down there. I'm talking to you. Look me in the eye when I'm talking to you.
Do you know what? If somebody actually come up out of the grave, you'd fucking shit yourself.
But wag. I'm running now. I'll see you later.
I'm out.
I'm out of it.
I'm so sorry about him, guys. I do apologise.
Like the film we watched the other night, the bloke, this dead body popped out of his bloke. Well, I'm too white for this kind of thing. I legged it. I was like, okay.
As you do.
That'd be quite cool though. You'd be like, yo, shh, it's a quiet area. But wagwan for that entrance though, mate. Ledge. I'm off.
What the fuck is wagwan?
Wagwan.
What? I must just be really old. Pinky's up. Oh gosh, guys, if you want to hit us up, let us know how you're feeling about this whole situation. We will do our best to make you smile like we always do. He's a dickhead. I have to put up with him.
Just remember, guys. Carry on talking, so I've got to just get
I have to put up with him. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment on this video. Please go share it with everyone and anyone. I'm going to tag the people that we've had in this video down below. I hope we don't get copyrighted. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you are notified when we next post a video. I'm a bit worried about what he's going to pop up with.
If you hear that, run to nearest pub, break the door
Pubs are
down,
closed down.
break the door down, have a pint, and wait for it all to blow over. You'll be fine, trust me.
Anyway, guys, on that note, we're like belly buttons. We're outies.
You're disgusting.